Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. So let me take this chance and welcome all viewers, all subscribers of this channel. You are highly welcomed. On this channel we share apps that can help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. So in case you need to secure your connection, you are in the right place. So today's app we're gonna share with you, it is on Google Play Store. So head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps, and when you reach on Google Play Store, you are required to tap on the search bar, then you search for this app. The app is known as SNY Tunnel. That's the name of the VPN, SNY Tunnel. So you install this app. So you search, then install the app. Among the presented, you pick this one. So you take note of the app name, you take note of the app icon, and after that install this app on your device. So as you use the VPN, please make sure to follow your local laws responsibly, and also make sure to read the VPN terms and conditions so that you don't violate them. So this app is already installed on my device. So after you installing the app, to set it up you must open it. So you open the app, and when you open the app it will take you to its home screen. So when you reach on the home screen, you will be required to do some settings. So on the home screen you are required to set up the app. First of all, you must update the app. So you locate the update button down below here, and then you click on online update. So this is done to update the app resources so that it can provide you with the best service. And after updating the app resources, you're required to pick a connection method. So in today's video we're gonna pick the all country UDP. Reason B is UDP is fast and secure, and it is working for all countries. So if your country supports UDP, this option will work for you. So make sure to pick all country UDP. And in case UDP is not working for you, you are required to tap here. Then in the search bar, you search for your country name, or you can scroll along then until you find your country name or your country network. So after you picking all country UDP or picking your country name, the other setting is you're required to pick a server. So after picking a connection method, you're required to pick a server. So let's pick the auto server. This is because auto server will help you to pick the best performing server in your location. So make sure to pick auto server so that the app chooses the best server in your location. And after doing that, you're required to initiate a fast and a secure connection by tapping on the start button. And when you tap on the start button, you will be patient as the app connects, and within a few seconds you can see that the app is right now connected, and right now our connection is secured via the UDP settings. And that's how we set up SNY Tunnel to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when we are online. Please like this video, share this video to your friend, and also subscribe on this channel for more content, and let's meet again.